Hello everybody, it's Glenn Shavers again here at Circle C Custom Leather, and I'm making up a few front pocket wallets to take to show up around Fayetteville up there, and I thought you might be interested in seeing how easy they go together. They're a pretty good seller for us, and I carry one of them myself. It's really a comfortable, it's a combination money clip front pocket wallet is what it is. You got 6 pieces. You got your 2 card pockets or 4 card pockets here, and you got your liner, and you'll have your back, and that's all that there is to it other than the money clip that goes inside of it. And I'm going to show you how easy these things go together. I build everything on the liner, and we're just going to take it real easy here, and I use this double-sided tape. It's not near as messy as glue. I like glue, don't get me wrong, I really do. But this here holds it together plenty good enough to sew it. Now, put this one on first, and you'll see why here in just a second. And if anybody's interested, yes, I will make you a template set for this and send to you. But this is one that more or less I drew it out and designed it to suit myself. I'm bad about doing that. I mean, other people's stuff's great, but if I see something I want to change, I ain't a bit afraid to change it up a little bit and make it my own. Get your double-sided tape on here. You can get this lots of different places. Maker's Leather Supply down in Texas has got real good double-sided tape, and that's kind of what we tend to use. But all right, we got our liner here. Now here's why we started that bottom one first. We're going to this thing will measure itself out for you. You don't have to worry about it. Come right in here at your slots for your money clip and line it up. Stick it down. Now, we ain't pulled the tape off this side yet. Now we take one of these T-pockets. Now they've got 3 pieces put on them. One across the bottom and one on each side. You don't put none on this here. If you do, your card won't go down in it. But and these little old awls, reach in there and catch it lip on that tape and pull it off. It's pretty good. All right, now this one, you're going to slide it underneath right up to the point. Like I said, it kind of measures itself. Just like that right there. All right. Let's put this other side on. I already had it taped up for you. Pull that one off. Come to this other side. Get it lined up with the edges of your money clip slot. Rub it down good. And this in here, you can tape it down completely when you put it in. You can't the bottom one. Now we're going to slide that underneath there up to these corners right here. That's our measuring point. That's what it is. Let's get her lined up there and get that lined up right there. And you'll notice if you want me to make you a template out of it here, that it's going to be a little bit larger than what the back is. Now then, after we've got this part done, we're going to run it over here at the sewing machine. I've already done these, of course. You're going to run a line of stitches right along the bottom of this one. You're going to run a line of stitches right there. Now you can take this off. Ow! That blame thing's sharp. if my finger goes to bleeding, don't y'all think nothing about it, because that kind of hurt. We'll rub them down real good right there. And we will there, we'll get that off there. We'll pull that backing off that tape there. We'll rub that down real good. Now that's, like I said, we've got it sewed here and got the pockets sewed in. Next thing we're going to do is take this and put it on the back. Now here's a back that I've got made up. Here's one I've got glued up. We're just going to line that thing up. Try to get it straight. And a lot of you just probably sitting there going, that ain't going to work. Yeah, it is going to work. It's going to work just hunky-dory fine. When I get her lined up here. We'll line up that end. We'll line up this end. Now that's contact cement holding that together. I like Wellwood. People can argue and carry on all they want to about what kind of cement's the best. You can go to Lowe's and buy you a gallon of Wellwood cement, and I've used it for a long time, and it's better cement than what I think barge is, and you don't have no shipping fees, you don't have nothing. You can just go down there and buy it with a gallon and put it in your little glue container. That's what I've got. And it, I left thread up on that in there. Cut that off. Wouldn't matter, nobody'd ever seen it. Pull this off of here. We just got back from a show down Wichita Falls, Texas at the Boot and Saddle Show. We done, we was very well received down there with our Quick and Easy. We was very well received, met some wonderful people, some wonderful artists down there. It was really great. And this weekend here we'll be in, I think she told me Washington County, Arkansas at the fairgrounds. Then you've got it looks like this right here. Now this is sticking out a little bit all the way around, folks. I'm telling you right now, it's a whole lot easier to trim it off as it is to add it to it. It's just that simple. Make whatever you're putting on the inside of your project, make it a hair bigger. That way when you come back, you trim it off, then you've got a good smooth fit. It's always easier to trim it off as it is to add to. Now, don't forget I said that. Anyway, we're at that point right there. So now we'll take her to the sewing machine over there, and we'll run us a line of stitches around this thing, and then we'll trim her off real good. And I didn't think about doing that for you, but I'm going to. But when you get done, let me cover up a price tag on that. And this is what you wind up with. You got your money clip right here in the center. You got your card pockets. Slide that dude down in your front pocket and just keep right on and trucking. That's what I carry every day. It's a real quick. It's a nice, handy little old wallet. They're easy to make, and they're pretty good sellers at these shows and festivals and whatnot. Y'all just keep right on pounding on your leather work. If you like what I'm doing, you hit that subscribe button, punch that like button, and y'all just keep following us and watching us, and there ain't no darn telling what the hell oh, sorry, babe, I almost made you plumb through that. There's no telling what we're going to do around here. I'll see y'all later.